Just arrived at the swimming with turtles in Satoalepai. Just gonna go see if we can find some turtles in the water.
Oh, yeah, turtle!
There's a turtle here.
Turtle!
Oh,
See, there's one down there.
What's that? Mountain's trying to escape. I'm dropping it. There's a message.
Oh,
over here.
turtle!
It looks like it's trying to escape.
That is so a stone. I got a little scared when I walked past it. That doesn't look like a turtle alive. Turtles! Hi, turtles.
You can actually swim inside here.
I want to go in there. I want to touch it. Look at them. I want to go swimming too. Oh, take it out of your hand. Oh, what is it? No. It's pretty hard.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby.
Simon,
Pick the massive one up, Lolly.
it's me trying to wake up this big turtle.
Time to wake up. That's it. Yeah. Oh man, it's so cool.
Forever, ever. Baby, baby, please don't leave me.